you want Caroline?
Do it. Yep.
Oh, this was after she flipped. Never mind.
It's not exactly how I wanted things to go down, but I can't change it now, so can we just drop it?
Oh,
My God. Lorenzo.
You can't touch this.
Look, the fact that you suck at torturing people is nothing to be ashamed of. That's why you have me.
Big bad vampire out here.
okay. Get a loft and try back up. Above the bar that you work at.
You made me Matt Donovan in your fantasy?
Ugh. God, like actual torture. Elena and Damon talking about their future together. Ugh. I want to die.
May I please have a chicken sandwich and a bowl of soup?
You bet. And that comes with a side of fries or skins?
I'm sorry, did you say skins? I'm afraid I don't know what that is.
Neither, thanks. And I'm not eating.
Towels?